Stellar friends, today we are jumping into Face in the Crowd by Tom Petty. Now beginner guitarists, listen up. This song is fantastic for reinforcing your open chords, learning 2 different strumming patterns, as well as a sneaky bar chord thrown in there to keep you on your toes. So the song is really fun to play. I cannot wait to dive in, so make sure your guitar's tuned and let's get started. So let's kick off the lesson by checking out the intro and the verse of the song. The good news here is that we only need 2 chords. So the first chord is an E minor chord, which I like to play with fingers 1 and 2, because the second finger will act as a pivot into our second chord, which is our C major. So this second finger is going to stay exactly where it is as we move back and forth between E minor and C major. That's just a little hack if you want to try and make your chord changes as easy as possible. So we have that chord sequence throughout the intro and throughout the verse. Now the strumming pattern that we're going to be using in these 2 sections is going to sound like this: down, 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 up, which we count 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. So each chord is going to get 2 rounds of that strumming pattern. So the E minor is going to sound like this: down, 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 up, down, 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 up. We then change to the C: down, 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 up, repeats. Now when you are implementing the strumming pattern, you're going to want to emphasize that second beat, that second down strum. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Okay, this is going to make it sound a lot more like the original. We don't want to just play all the down and up strums equally, okay? We really want to add that emphasis on beat 2. So beat 1, you can almost just flick your bass string of that E chord. So it'll be just the E and the A string, flick, and then give a nice, strong, powerful down strum on that second beat. And the same for the C. You can flick the A and the D string, and then a very strong down strum on beat 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. So this is what is going to separate you from sounding like a complete beginner, and it's going to make you sound like a more advanced guitarist who has an understanding of musicality and rhythm. So really try to focus on that, and if it is a little bit tricky for you to start off, then don't worry about changing chords. Just stay on one chord and practice that pattern over and over again with that emphasis on beat number 2. Now, what we're going to be doing next is moving on to checking out the chords and strumming pattern that we'll be using in the chorus. So we're going to check out the chords first, and they're going to be up on the screen for you. We're going to be starting on that regular D major chord. And from here, we're going to transition to an A minor chord. And those 2 chords are repeated again. Now the next chord we need is a bar chord. It's our B minor chord, but please do not click off the lesson if that chord is going to freak you out. I have a few alternatives that you can try if playing the bar chord is just not your vibe right now. But if you can play a bar chord, then please do so. Now, if this is too difficult for you, then I have 2 options for you. We have the 3-finger B minor, which is going to be using our first finger, 2nd fret on the high E string, 2nd finger, 3rd fret on the B string, and 3rd finger, 4th fret on the G string. Okay? And you can only strum those 3 strings. This is as easy as it can become with a B minor chord. But if you can play a bar chord, then please do so. Now, if this is too difficult for you, then I have 2 options for you. We have the 3-finger B minor, which is going to be using our first finger, 2nd fret on the high E string, 2nd finger, 3rd fret on the B string, and 3rd finger, 4th fret on the G string. Okay? And you can only strum those 3 strings. This is as easy as it can become with a B minor chord. And another way we can play B minor just to make it sound a little fuller is we just take that ring finger and you're going to move it up to the D string and you're going to put the pinky in its place. And now you can strum 4 strings. And you might notice that this is the foundation of a bar chord. So all we're doing is taking the bar away and just squeezing down that high E string instead. So those are your 3 options for the B minor. You can go full out with the bar chord, you can play the 4-finger version, or you can play the 3-finger version. And then we're going to end that chorus off with a regular A minor. Now for the chorus, I like to change the pattern to something that's going to sound a little fuller. Okay, it's going to sound a lot more true to the Tom Petty song when we play this specific strumming pattern in the chorus. And it's going to sound like this: down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And we're going to count that 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and it's going to be even more important in this strumming pattern to emphasize the 2nd beat and the 4th beat. We really want to push that song forward. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. It's going to give the song a lot more movement, and again it's going to make the song sound really musical. So if we try that on the D major, okay, every single chord is going to get 2 rounds of that pattern. It's going to sound like this: down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Repeat. A minor, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to D. Repeat. A minor, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2. B minor, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and A minor. And that is pretty much it. That is how we play Face in the Crowd by Tom Petty. So what we're going to be doing is a full playthrough of the song coming up next. I really can't wait to dive into this one with you, so I'll see you there. So starting on that E minor chord, here we go. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Before all of this ever went down in another place, another town, you were just a face in the crowd. You were just face in the crowd, out on the streets, walking around, a face in the crowd. Out of a dream, out of the sky, into my heart, into my life. You were just a face in the crowd. You were just a face in the crowd, out on the street, thinking out loud, a face in the crowd. crowd. You were just facing the crowd out in the streets, walking around, facing the crowd. Facing the crowd. Facing the crowd. Thank you so much for watching and for making music with me today. If you are a Tom Petty fan, then go and check out the lesson I taught on learning to fly. It's also super simple and a really quick win. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in another song tutorial very soon. Bye!